Hello, this program is about fixing the laptop battery problem in Windows 10. Sometimes a cross sign appears on the right side of the taskbar on the battery icon, and if you point it with the mouse, the message "No battery is detected" will be seen. I suggest some solutions to solve this problem. First solution. Click on the battery icon from the taskbar and then select Power Options. Go to the battery app and go to the Change Plan Settings section. For more advanced settings, click on the Advanced Power Settings option and go to the Settings section. Apply the following settings. Set low battery level to 7%. Low battery level option. In this section, you can change the charging warning time. For example, if it's set to 10%, you will receive a low battery warning when the battery charge reaches 10%. Set critical battery level to 5%. Select the critical battery level. In this section, you determine when the critical condition warning will be sent to you. A critical situation is a situation where the laptop battery charge is so low that it's possible to keep the system on in just a few minutes. Set the reserve battery level to 4%. New Microsoft Windows has an option called Reserve Battery Level that allows you to keep the battery power consumption low until you can charge the battery after it reaches a certain amount. In this section, you can set the laptop to enter this state after reaching the battery charge level. Set Low Battery Action to Do Nothing. And finally, click on Critical Battery Action and set the On Battery option to Hibernate. Second solution. Press the shortcut key Win plus R to open the Run window. Type this command and press the Enter key until a device window appears. Double-click on the Batteries tab to expand it. Right-click on the options in this category one by one and select Properties. In the Properties window, the device status is listed in the device status box. If you see the device is working properly, there is no problem here. Then, double-click on the Batteries category to open it. Right-click on any of the options in this category and select Disable Device Options to disable it. After a few time, right-click again on the disabled options and this time activate the device. But if the problem is not solved and this message, "No battery is detected," appears now and then, update the battery. Third solution. Run Device Manager. Open the Batteries tab. Right-click on the options of the battery category one by one and select Uninstall the device. Finally, restart the system to reinstall the battery driver automatically. And if the problem is still not solved, try the fourth solution. Check the battery status, then turn on the laptop again. Usually after the settings, the problem is solved, and so on, the message "no battery is detected" does not appear. But if it's a problem, the laptop battery may be damaged and you need to replace it. I hope this program was useful for you. Please subscribe to support me. Good night.